The Casio G-Shock GWM-5610-1 men's solar black resin sport watch is a robust, versatile timepiece perfect for active lifestyles. With its shock-resistant design, this watch can withstand rough conditions, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and sports lovers alike. The solar-powered feature ensures you never have to worry about changing batteries, while the atomic timekeeping technology provides precision, syncing with global time standards for unmatched accuracy. Its 200-meter water resistance makes it suitable for swimming, diving, and other water activities. The simple, yet sleek, black resin strap offers both comfort and durability, while the digital display allows for easy reading. Additional features such as world time, alarms, and a stopwatch enhance its practicality. For those who demand a reliable and low-maintenance watch, the Casio G-Shock GWM-5610-1 excels with its combination of toughness, convenience, and style. Whether for daily wear or extreme sports, this G-Shock is built to endure it all.